What is going on, everyone? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. We are back down here in North Carolina. It is right around 12 o'clock. I woke up this morning at 3 o'clock in the morning in Pennsylvania at my parents' house, and these guys said to me late last night, said, hey, let's go racing. There's a race, 28 race. Let's go. We'll get everything loaded up. You just got to get down here. So we left at 3 o'clock in the morning, and boy, oh boy, it's a long day already, and we haven't even left the shop. I just pulled up here. I can't tow anything because you guys can see the truck's a little angry at the way it sits. It got some weight in the back. We got the engines here, like I said in the other video. We got the 5.3, Wes's 6 liter, and then an all aluminum 6.2 liter. Very, very exciting. More horsepower coming soon. But we are heading out to Red Springs Dragway, Thunder Valley, I think they call it. It is a beautiful day down here in North Carolina. It is almost 70. As you can tell, I'm wearing my Ellis Nasty shirt here where I'm staying toned. You guys can get this in the merch link below. And we got the hoodies down there. I'm going to put the hoodies up on sale right now. So if you guys want to go, we just released the hoodies. I had a couple of them sold, but they're awesome. More people need them, so I'm going to put them on sale. I'm going to give you a discount code. I'll put it up here and the percentage off. So just go up there, smoke and deal. You cannot miss it. Go get your Ellis Nasty merch in the link below. Yeah, so I'm gonna hop in the truck and take a nap because I've been driving like 8.5 hours to get down here, and these guys are going to drive out there, and then we're going to try to bust as much ass as we can in this 28 race. Definitely outgunned, but we're just going to send it. All right, we're pulling into, we already missed the turn, that's why we're coming from this way, but we're pulling into Red Springs. There it is. It says on the sign, small block capital of the Carolinas, Wes.
We're here for the small block boost class.
That is it.
I like the shutdown.
Here's turnaround right here.
There's your hill.
No sand trap, just a little hill. We'll send you over.
Yeah, they ramp you over the road.
Right, open up the bedding box.
Oh!
Whoa.
Ben, just pull that out for a second. We're playing no games today. So we're gonna try to stay toned and find some action here. First time out at Red Springs, little 8th mile track. I hear it works pretty good though. Ben, have you been here before?
Twice.
Twice? How's the track work?
Back then it was not bad, but
better than Fayetteville?
I mean, I think most roads are better than
Yeah, look at the orangutan. That thing is tough.
What the hell is he burning?
Bubble gum.
Smells like bubble gum.
Chris running the back, the ticket guy said he needed a hat. Chris is getting him toned up.
He's gonna be
oh, he brought the chain out. Ben, you think we can get Wes to gamble his chain on a race?
Ooh, maybe. I don't know about that one.
You look good wearing that hat.
Yeah, I tried. What's she doing with my hat on? You're egging her on.
Let's see, it's gonna be 25 for you in your car. And it's gonna be $10 for every other person. It'll be 30 plus 25 to be $55. There's the money. I had to bring that change back. Hey man, I appreciate that.
Yes sir, thank you sir.
Kick some ass today, and I'll be happy to give you that $1,000 at the end of the day.
All right, thank you.
All right, thanks, Al.
You already knew we come for the 28-inch tire.
There's some good-looking 28 cars out here. Some good-looking 28 cars. There's some good-looking 28 cars out here. I love on the first thing that people see with this car is that damn dent. All right, it's time to get the Rooster out of here. Just getting suited up here. Ben's been messing with the car a little bit. We got no limiting straps on there, but we think we got the suspension travel figured out, so it shouldn't pull a wheelie. It should just go nice down and through. That's the plan, at least. Back on the radials, that's going to be the big change here, so I guess we'll get strapped in there. It's a beautiful hot day. I'm like sweating a little bit. I don't know if it's because I'm fat or if it's because it's actually nice out. Probably a little bit of both, but we're gonna get suited up. There's literally no one running. Never been down this track before, so I guess, do we just full send? Okay.
Could it be any other way?
No. They don't even have to call me Send It Steve. I just know to always full send
There's
it.
a good runoff down there for you. There's a nice dirt hill.
I saw that.
Smash
right into
Well, no, so it's if you can't stop in time instead of driving through the road, they shoot you over it. So.
I go back.
All new Precision Ford, Lillington NC, year-end closeout.
No commercials. Only my commercials on my YouTube videos. Good?
Yep.
Nothing. Huh? Is the throttle blade?
Alright, turn the motor off real quick.
Did that throttle body come apart?
It might have.
Did it again?
Yeah, not it. I didn't tight at this point.
Did we check it early enough?
Yeah. Fire it up now.
Fire it up?
Yeah.
Did it just come loose or?
Yeah. Idle Aaron's learning.
How high did that one get?
How did that feel?
Well, it kept first gear is a lot different because like normally where it starts to slip and the front end settles down, I was like sitting in like in a recliner. I was like, damn. So I pedaled it and it came back down, but I think it popped the top off the radiator. Yeah.
Look at Ben's smile.
Yeah. Is that high? Is that high? Perfect.
Think about that 60 foot on the back tire.
You know why? You know why it did so well? I forgot to zip my fly.
XYZ.
I need to see that video. Stop this clip. What everyone say was like, damn, that thing's towing.
We were walking back, one guy was like, man, I gotta get this son of a bitch up in the air like that.
Yeah, you gotta get it here.
That's so cool.
Hey,
It went straight. It went straight as hell.
you hung with that big block nitrous car.
I know.
Why are you act surprised? This is a 5.3 stock bottom end.
Yeah, but this is our first pass on the track.
I know. Man, it hooks. Yeah.
No.
Dude, I let out early. Oh, I would have had him covered. But I let out early. This is the damn laundry. That's his biggest mistake.
I love how John says it hooks. Yeah, he rode the wheelie out for 300 foot. I think it would hook.
Yeah. I didn't expect the hook because Ben goes in there and starts turning everything down. Good thing he did, or I would have been laying on my roof.
Yeah, that's what I was hoping for, and just
So now I'll ride all 660 on the bumpers to know to go straight.
you know to get straight. He was like, "Yep, it's going straight."
That sucker's rolling.
That's the big outlet.
Wes, that could be you with your 383.
I don't know. It sounded like he had no nitrous, man.
You see my wheelie?
No.
Was that? Is that gonna be on?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Is that gonna be on YouTube?
I
I want to be on YouTube.
got you.
No, he doesn't realize I have a YouTube channel. All right, we got everything tied down. I'm gonna get suited up, give Wes the camera, and we'll see if we can get another pass in here. Just a nice little test hit, and go A to B. That's the name of the game here. Keep the front end down, no wheelie, but still hook up. Oh, you're golden now.
You're good there.
Do y'all hear that? That is the rear end making noise. It's not happy.